A top Hamas official says the group is no longer interested in truce talks with Israel, calling instead for international pressure to stop what he described as a hunger war in Gaza. Bassem Naim told AFP there was no point in engaging in ceasefire proposals while what he called the hunger war and extermination war continued. He urged the international community to press the Netanyahu government to end the crimes of hunger, thirst, and killings in the Gaza Strip. His statement comes as Israel announced plans to expand its military operations in Gaza with a focus on displacing most of the territory's population. The Israeli army said the goal was to carry out a broad attack and move the majority of Gaza's population to what it described as a sterile area away from Hamas. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres expressed alarm over Israel's military expansion plans. His spokesperson Farhan Haq said this would inevitably lead to more civilian deaths and destruction. He emphasized that Gaza must remain an integral part of a future Palestinian state. France also issued a strong condemnation of Israel's plans. French Foreign Minister Jean-Noel Barrot called the campaign unacceptable, saying it violates humanitarian law. He criticized the Israeli government after it approved a security cabinet plan involving what an Israeli official described as the conquest of the Gaza Strip and the holding of its territory.
Eh bien, on construit des coalitions. Et vous voyez, la semaine dernière, j'étais à l'ONU pour rassembler avec la France un certain nombre de pays de tout autour du monde, la Chine, le Kazakhstan, la Jordanie, le Brésil, l'Afrique du Sud, pour défendre de manière systématique, et pas uniquement dans le cas de la Palestine, ce qu'on appelle le droit international humanitaire. C'est-à-dire que même s'il y a la guerre, eh bien on respecte un certain nombre de règles. On ne s'attaque pas aux civils, on ne s'en prend pas aux travailleurs humanitaires. On veille à ce que l'aide humanitaire puisse toujours parvenir aux populations.
Mais visiblement, Benyamin Netanyahou s'en moque complètement.
Écoutez, il faut, je dirais, redonner des couleurs à ce qui longtemps a été l'objet d'un respect strict de la part de la communauté internationale, le droit de la guerre, la protection des plus vulnérables sur les théâtres de conflit.